Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out the Central Machinery Harbor Freight dust collection system. Uh, First off, I was super surprised at how easy it was to put together. Uh, if you've got DIY skills, you can definitely figure it out. Um, Real quick, here's a clip of it running. You can see the cyclone in there, and that's what you're looking for in good dust collection. Yeah, so it's loud. I think it's a 2 horsepower motor. You gotta wear hearing protection, which you should be wearing anyways in the shop. Mainly, I just wanted to, get a substantial dust collection ran into this saw stop. Kicks out a lot of fine dust, which isn't good to breathe. Uh, so yeah, I invested the money in a cheap dust collector. It's going to be used basically just on this one piece of equipment. Like I said, super simple to set up, get running. It runs on 110 or 120. Um, it can run on 220 if you've got 220 rain in your shop, which I had to run for that saw stop, but it comes out of the box wired for 120. So yeah, I just plugged it into a standard wall outlet, and I was off to the races. The biggest thing I noticed while using this dust collector was the reduction in fine, particulate floating around in the air. Um, I also run an air scrubber mounted to the ceiling while I'm running the dust collector, and yeah, it was amazing to see how little there was floating around in the air, and that's really what you want to see. It's really bad to breathe that stuff in. So overall, Harbor Freight dust collector sucks, right? I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. Um, so it worked good for me. I'm gonna keep using it as I move forward, and we'll see how it works. Real quick, here's just some white oak that's gonna be used on my next commission. I'm gonna try to make a full video of that build. It's a vanity. That'll be coming out soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get updates and see what I'm doing in the shop. Thank you for watching.